In this video, I will show you how to make a Blogspot blog private. Right now, if you try to open your blog in incognito mode, you will see that it is accessible to anyone, meaning it is currently set to public. To change this and make the blog private, you need to go to the left-hand menu and scroll down to find the Settings option. Click on it, and then scroll down until you reach the Permissions section. Within the permission settings, you will see an option called Reader Access, which is currently set to public by default. Clicking on this will give you three options: private to authors, custom readers, or completely public. If you select private to authors, the blog will remain private but can still be accessed and edited by the authors you have added to it. If you have no authors added, then only you will have access. To add additional authors, click on Invite More Authors, enter their email addresses, and send them an invitation. Once they accept, they will be able to access and manage the blog. If you want to allow only specific people to view your blog while keeping it hidden from the general public, you can choose the Custom Readers option. If you want to make the blog completely private so that no one else can see it, do not add any readers and simply leave it restricted.